Hey guys, I'm out again today, but I will be back for sure on Friday. So this is going to walk you through what you need to do today for Avid. You're going to start by opening up this assignment called the Moon Assignment. When you open it up, you will see that there's a document attached. You're going to open that up and send it to Notability. Once you have it in Notability, you will see that it is a scenario where you are a member of a space crew and you are scheduled to rendezvous with a mothership on the lighted surface of the moon. However, due to mechanical difficulties, your ship was forced to land at a spot some 200 miles from the rendezvous point. During re-entry and landing, much of the equipment aboard was damaged, and since survival depends on reaching the mothership, the most critical items available must be chosen for the 200-mile trip. Below are listed the 15 items left intact and undamaged after landing. Your task is to rank them in terms of their importance for your crew and allowing them to reach the rendezvous point. Place the number 1 by the most important item, the number 2 by the second most important, and so on through number 15 for the least important. So you're going to go through and you're going to rank these 1 through 15, 1 being the most important, 15 being the least. You can do this with one partner if the sub allows it, or you'll do it independently. Once you have completed filling this out, then you're going to go back to Schoology and open the Moon exercise answers, and you're going to grade yourself and figure out how well you did and if you survived this mission. Once that's done, you're going to come down here and you're going to open the Avid tutorial notes assignment and then open the document with it. You're going to read through the tutorial process, which we're going to be starting soon, and you can even talk to the tutors about this as well. And you're going to take notes like we did last week and earlier this week, okay, with the focused note-taking process. Okay, so there's a couple different pages you're going to need to read through. I will give you a hint right off the bat. There's 3 phases. Okay, before, during, and after. So you're going to have at least 3 chunks of notes to describe each one. When you're done taking notes, then you're going to submit this in Schoology to the Avid tutorial notes, and then you should also turn in your Moon assignment after you've graded yourself and put in the score on your assignment as well. And that is what you need to complete for today's learning work. I will see you guys on Friday.